I am Hector, and I am an immigrant entrepreneur. My journey began with a Bachelor of Business Administration from the University of North Texas at Dallas. And in 2022, I added a Master of Public Administration to my achievements. But amidst the pandemic, a new chapter unfolded. I started a family enterprise where we breathe life into old furniture and provide custom designs to turn people's visions into reality. The passion I poured into my company led to us branching out into investment properties. I believe we have the power to shape our own destiny. So here's a tip for my fellow immigrants. Harness the strength of your community. This is the key to success. Leverage the resilience we carry as immigrants and infuse it into your business plan.